Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, today we're going to do a review on the Fanttik D2 Laser Level. Now, a sponsor sent this to me in return for a video review. Okay, so this thing's pretty cool, I'll tell you what. The packaging is amazing. So it comes in this box. You get a nice bag, and you've got your C to USB charger, and that is roughly 5 feet long. Okay, so you've got some charging room to go. You've got your handle, which is your L-shaped bracket that you can, put on a fridge or any kind of metal. And I'll show you that's it. It is just got magnets. So here we go. Boom. Right. So there's two magnets on there, and they're pretty strong, and you can go from there. Okay, so now for the laser itself. Now it's pretty compact. It's 3 inches by 3 inches. It's not very big. 2.5 here, and it's got legs on the bottom, so you can stand it like that. It's got a tripod, threads for a tripod here. You've got the laser window here. You got the Peridium lock right here. You've got your charger and cap right there. And that's a C to USB, like I was saying. And it's, it's pretty much all, and they say it's waterproof and drop proof, and I'm not going to try that, but you go ahead if you want. But anyway, there's two ways to turn this on. Now you can use the button here and turn it on here. There's your power indicator. 4 bars means it's fully charged. And to turn this off, you just take that Peridium lock and go back, and then push it back again, and it shuts off. Okay. Now, there's 2 ways to turn it on. Like I said, you can turn that on or push that in for 2 seconds, or pull this back and off it goes. Okay. So 2 ways to do it, but I would just use the Peridium lock and don't worry about that. But whatever, you do what you want. Okay, so yeah, all in all, great little unit. We've used it quite a bit, and the video will show that. Okay, we had some water damage in the kitchen, so we just decided to do all the cabinets and everything. But we used the Fanttik Laser Level to put up our cabinets, and check that out. I'll tell you what, they are perfect. Look at that. This thing is awesome, man. Okay, so when you're on a wall and you get this thing that pulses, okay, so it'll go up here and it'll start pulsing. Okay, you see that there? Now, what that's telling you, that the level is not level with the wall. Okay, so when you bring that down and find level, it'll stop pulsing. Okay, now that's on auto level. Okay, so that's perfectly level right there. Okay, so what we did was, when we put up that wallpaper in the back, we used the laser level and found this and started with that. Of course, up above, and then we worked ourselves down. But yeah, it works really, really good. And so if you take this and you bring it all the way to the top, you see how that's not level? Way up there. Okay, so now you have to adjust your tripod or whatever you got to make that straight, right? And then it will adjust itself to be auto level when you get the right angle, and so on and so forth. So like, you bring it down like that, and it'll stop pulsing. Awesome unit. Just to tell you that it's level. Now, this here is a handy dandy little tool. I'll tell you what. You can hang it up on a wall with a nail there if you want something stationary all the time. Or if you got a picture on a wall or something, take the picture off, hang this up on the wall, and you can use that as a centerpiece for your laser. And you can throw it on the back of your laser like this. Then you can take it over to, say, a piece of metal like a fridge or whatever have you, and boom, stick it on there like that. You can put it anywhere you want, and yeah, look at that. If you get pictures that you want to put on the opposite wall, you can throw it on there like that. Yeah, super handy. Or say you got metal doors or something, you can, boom, stick it on there like that, and you're doing your laser thing. Okay, so I'm outside. Now this is a white door. It's pretty hard to see on something different color, but I think you can see that. If not, it's pretty good. And I'm going to go back as far as I can here. Now that's about 10 feet, 15 feet, 20, we're going on 20 feet now, so I can still see it on that door. So being outside and having a laser that you can see is pretty good, right? So I'm hoping you can see that, but maybe not in the video.